back. Alright, so I'm here with Gigi, my grandmother. We're gonna make some slime today. Alright? So Gigi got the red. We're using glitter glue. And I think the first thing is we're gonna squeeze it in here. I'm gonna do, hold up, a little bit of magic. When I come back, it's gonna be done. You start? Start. I did. Alright, so we did that. Now, the next thing we want to do is we gotta be real careful with baking soda. You're gonna want to get a half tablespoon of baking soda. Ah! I thought there was gonna be a little bag in there or something. I was wrong. I was incorrect. This is a little box. What? Does anybody comment down below if you know what baking soda is? Alright, Gigi. Half a tablespoon, right?
Wait, is that 1 tablespoon?
That's half a teaspoon.
No, that's half a teaspoon. You need one. You need one of the largest ones and one of.
No, that's that. You need one. You need 1 1/2. You only need half a tablespoon.
Oh, excuse
baking
me.
soda.
That would create a big mess. You're right, Mr.
I
Scientist.
think it's this. I'm not sure. If this doesn't work, I think this is what you're supposed to do.
That's probably close enough.
That looks like it's right.
Okay.
We're doing this on the table. When you're doing this, you should probably do it somewhere where it's not as scary. I don't want to get everything on the table. Now, what's next, right? We probably should open up the ingredients first. Get the camera down here. Get the camera down here. Zoom in. Look at that. Does it look like slime yet? It's about to look like slime, if it doesn't look like it now. I think it's gonna look cool. I'm doing glitter glue, because I like it, and I think it'll look cool. All right.
What's happening?
Now, we need half of that. That's basically half. It'll be fine. All right, Gigi. Let me do yours. Now, I think, I don't know what to do next. I think you mix it. Gigi, what do we do? I don't know the recipe. We're gonna cut away, and when we come back, we're gonna figure out what to do. We did it! I would say that my first ever DIY was a success. Bring the camera down here. So basically, it's gonna look like this. You know, nice and slimy, you can squeeze it.
Notice how it's not sticking to
It's
your
not
hand.
sticking to my hands. That's what I wanted. I wanted it to be like this. It's all squishy, you know. Or go over there and show Gigi's too. Look at that. DIY.
Success.
Sparkly slime. I'm gonna put a link to the recipe I used and to all the ingredients in the description below. And yeah, I think this definitely worked. If you want me to drop an ASMR video with the slime, comment down below about that. Anything to add, Gigi?
Love of success.
All right, roll the outro. There you go.